Today we're going to talk about if you're seeing some voltage fluctuations or power issues either at your portable wall charger for your detector or inside the table bucky. Those are both charged by the same unit that is inside your generator up on the top left. So here you see the inside of the PDSM assembly. There's two separate voltage supplies that supply 18 volts and 24 volts to the portable charging station on the wall and the table bucky charger for your detector. So obviously you have your fuses and such, but usually if you're seeing a fluctuating voltage or some intermittent problems, one of these power supplies is probably starting to have issues. You do have a voltage adjustment for each one that's more of a fine-tune adjustment. You can adjust that and probably resolve your issue temporarily. I wouldn't consider that as being a permanent solution. So even if you adjust it separately to get your room back up and running, you probably want to put in an order for an entire unit. These power supplies are not sold separately, so it's sold as an entire unit. So at some point, you'll want to get that entire assembly replaced. For more tips like this, please visit our resources page and view our tech tips.